The moon hides behind the fir so tall. A river whispers, I hear it call. Stars like seeds scattered wide. The earth hums soft, no need to hide. Oh, the hills they breathe, they sing to me in the wind, in the trees, in the melody. Oh, the hills they breathe, they set me free. A quiet heart, a gentle plea. Barefoot paths where shadows play.